Morning, welcome to the Patreon video. We're going to cover gold very briefly, just because the profit ratio indicator, which you should all be using, it's very, very good. But what we want to be looking at the buy and sell toggle there, toggle that, and then we can see what the profitable traders are doing. So we can see there's been an interchange, saw a little bit of a chop, but the buyers entered. These are the smart traders, remember, and these are guys are profiting. So they entered at that bottom, and they've made quite a decent profit since. And there's no sign of a crossover, so it looks like we're probably going to come up and get the stop loss cluster above at 1760. So you're looking for crossovers and confirmation over time, and that's how you use that. So it's very simple, very, very easy to understand. However, we are 54%, so ideally we'd want that below 50% in order to buy, but the profit ratio indicator was a good indication to go long, because that's what the smart traders have done. Okay. So let's look at dollar pairs, and MS3 for dollar Swiss, 94.47. We'll go back there, and there's an interchange there, so the sellers are profiting. They entered here. Okay, one above is at 95.09. Because the sellers are in control, we should be coming down here at 93.40, and we are a sell at the big picture, and they've gone long as well. You can see that black line. So let's look at dollar yen, and sellers are in control. One below is at 138.50, quite close. The one above is at 142.25. MS2 level is 139.65, 50.50. But we had those Fed minutes yesterday, and they were talking about less aggressive hikes, and they're trying to prepare the market for like a soft landing, and it looks like it's working as well. The VIX is being under a lot of pressure. The yields are falling. The 3-month is being stubborn, but if the yields fall, it does kind of have an impact on the dollar yen and dollar crosses, and the yields certainly did fall. So I think we'll probably come and get that. We're not that far away, and there aren't that many stops below, as you can see, which is something of note. There's one here, maybe 138, and then you could probably argue 137.50, 137, but below that there's not much liquidity at all. Yeah, so probably here I think this is possibly likely 138. Not much more stops to go. So if it's going to really fall, it might need to go sideways and to induce more positions and then have more stops down here, because there isn't that much liquidity here. So it might just want to take that little chop sideways price action, wait for a volume node to stick out, and then it'll try and probe that potentially. But we are 50-50. Now the Euro USD made us quite a bit of profit. If you followed my setups yesterday, I was saying how it was a buy. We are quite zoomed in there, aren't we? So the one above is at 104.80. One below is at 103.85. We are a buy. They have shorted it very heavily. Buyers are in control. So this wick was naughty, but that's fine. You should hopefully understand how to spot fake price action, and things have to fall in order to come up. We have to remember, and it can't just keep coming up, because it then wouldn't be a market. It needs to zigzag, okay? And yeah, we made some nice pips yesterday. I'm quite happy. I think because we're up on the week, we're not going to have a trade of the day today or tomorrow. So that's I want a positive week. I think it'd be nice for the QuasiDB system. So that's that. You've got your targets and GU. We'll look at AU as well. GU 120.97. Yeah, I think we're gonna probe that, aren't we? We're 9 pips away, and 120.52. The level of interest there is at MR2 at 120.66. So could be a good long. And then you've got MR3 up there, 124.85. They have shorted it. Buyers are in control. I'm going to buy here. And lastly, we'll look at Aussie. And that's it. I'm going to be sitting on my hands, I think, and just chilling. So, yeah, 67.30, huge stop loss cluster. And MR2 is 67.48. One above is at 68. They have sold it. Buyers are in control. Maybe a possibility of a crossover. Maybe it looks like we're sort of having like a pincher. but the buyers are in control and we are a buy here. Nice quick video. Happy Thanksgiving for those who are US based. If you're not US based, then have a great day, and I'll speak to you guys tomorrow for the Patreon video, and then it's weekend, so that's good.